Morning. Hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. Today, I want to explain the topic levels of management. First, I want to explain management. Next, level of management. Management is what manager does. Management is an art of getting things done through with others in a formally organized groups. Now, levels of management. Levels of management. Levels of management refers to a line of demarcation. Demarcation, DEMARCATION. Demarcation means सीमा बंधी, सीमा तय करता है. द नंबर ऑफ लेवल्स इन मैनेजमेंट increases when the size of business and workforce increases and vice versa. Now, there are three types of management. First, top. Second, middle. Last, first line, supervisory or operational management. Now, I want to explain top level management. It consists of Chief Operating Officer, COO, Chief Executive Officers, CEO, Chief Finance Officer, CFO, Director, Chairman, President, Vice President, etc. Their functions are to coordinate the activities of different departments according to the activities or overall objective of the organization, to be responsible for welfare and survival of the organization, to analyze the business environment and its implication for the survival of the firm or any organization, to formulate overall organizational goal and strategies for their achievements, to be responsible for all the activities of the business and for its impact on the society. Second, middle level management consists of divisional departmental heads such as production manager, marketing manager, operational manager, plant superintendent, etc., except general manager. Their functions are to interpret the policies framed by the top management, to ensure that their department has the necessary personnel to assign necessary duty and responsibilities to the employees of their respective departments for implementation of the plan, to cooperate with other departments for smooth functioning of the organizations, to motivate employees of their respective departments to achieve the desired goals. Third, operational supervisory management or operational or first line we can say, consists of supervisor and foreman. Their functions are to oversee the efforts of the workforce, to interact with the actual workforce and pass on the instructions of the middle management of the workforce, to ensure that the quality of output is maintained and wastage of material is minimized, to ensure safety standards are maintained. This much. Jai Hind. Namaskar.